Money trial against former President Donald Trump is now underway. The process of selecting a jury for this unprecedented case has already proven to be quite a challenge. News 4's Tracie Strahan live for us in Lower Manhattan. And Tracie, no jurors picked yesterday, and now today, more people already have been dismissed.
Well, they're already doing what's being called a Sandoval hearing ahead of selecting jurors right now. Donald Trump saying instead of being inside of court, he should be on the campaign trail.
I should be right now in Pennsylvania, in Florida, in many other states, North Carolina, Georgia, campaigning. This is all coming from the Biden White House.
Now, the process of choosing a jury in the GOP frontrunner's criminal trial now in its second day. This after more than half of the potential 96 jurors summoned by the court yesterday said that they could not be fair or impartial in a case involving Donald Trump. He's pleaded not guilty to 34 counts of falsifying business records related to payments made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels, all to allegedly keep her quiet about an affair before the 2016 presidential election. The judge in the case is right now holding what's being called a Sandoval hearing. Now that allows defendants to make a decision on whether or not they want to testify. Former President Trump, has previously said it's something he would do in this case. But before court began, he downplayed the hush money accusations against him.
I was paying a lawyer and marked it down as a legal expense. Some accountant, I didn't know, marked it down as a legal expense. That's exactly what it was. And you get indicted over that?
Well, Donald Trump went on to blame the charges against him currently on President Joe Biden, who's spending today campaigning in Pennsylvania. Now, he argued that Biden is using this criminal case in order to win the election, and it's not working out that way for him so far. Now, as we bring you back live, it's a lot more quiet here on Center Street than it was yesterday in terms of Donald Trump supporters and protesters. Again, this is a trial that's expected to last between 6 to 8 weeks. That jury selection, just a couple of weeks. We're live in Lower Manhattan this morning. Tracie Strahan, News 4 New York.
Yeah, not quite the circus we saw out there yesterday, that's for sure. Tracie, thank you.